Hello and welcome back to episode 2 of Getting Comfortable with Meal Garden. In this episode, we're going to be talking about scheduling meals. As a recap, my name is Jeff. I'm an onboarding specialist and the co-founder at Meal Garden, and this is Marty and Harvey. They are aspiring recipe testers. You're working with a leading health and wellness professional who uses the Meal Garden platform to make it easier to deliver nutritional content and really make it easier for you to achieve your goals. Each of the Meal Garden platform is a little different. It can be customized, colors, fonts, logos, those types of things. So even though this might look a little different than your Meal Garden, all the capabilities are the same, and this is still a really helpful video. In this video, we're going to look at scheduling plans. Once we've done that, we're going to start working with the schedule. We'll take a look at the quick scheduler, scheduling recipes, and then I'm going to show you some neat tricks. Okay, so let's head on over here and let's pop right in. And you've already watched episode 1. If you haven't, go ahead and do that so that you can kind of get familiar with this. But what we're going to do is our practitioner has given us a sample meal plan to get started with. We're going to click on it. We're going to take a look at this plan and say, I love it. This looks good. Not perfect, but it looks good. So if you're a PDF type person, you can scale the meal. You can hit download a PDF. You can check the fields you want. You can hit create PDF. Okay. When you go over here, you'll see this little orange dot will pop up. You'll have this orange dot here. You can just go ahead and download the PDF that you generated. You'll have all the meal schedules, each recipe with the instructions, and way down at the bottom, you'll have a shopping list if you so desire. Okay, so that's how you work with PDFs. We're going to go over here though, and we're going to say, you know what, we're going to schedule this meal, but we have some changes we want to make. So we're going to schedule it for this week. We're going to just leave it as just ourselves are eating. We haven't entered, we don't have a family, but if we did, we would be able to pick them, and we're just going to hit go. All right, so here we go. We've got the schedule. Grocery list is all set up automatically, but we're going to make some changes. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of vegetable frittata, and it's actually used for leftovers on Tuesday and leftovers on Thursday. So we're going to have to do something with that, but we're going to get rid of it. We don't like that. So we're going to, we don't want that. You know, this snack as well, let's just remove that. I'm not really into the crunch thing. That seems a little complicated for me. And then we're going to scroll down here and everything looks good except for this. I want to remove this. Okay, so I've just removed the leftovers. And what that'll do is here's the meal right there. It'll change this meal automatically, right? So leftovers are added automatically. This will change the meal automatically. Okay, so what we're going to do, let's deal with breakfast first. I'm going to click here, and we're just going to add a meal. So if I hit explore, it's going to show me all the recipes that have been shared with me by my practitioner. Instead of that, I'm going to hit show my cookbook. I'm going to go like this and put breakfast, and I say, you know what, let's just keep it easy. We're going to schedule this, okay? Okay, so this isn't one that I'd use for leftovers, but I can say make it again. It was Tuesday and Thursday I needed it. So we're going to go ahead and hit finish. Done. So we've added those, okay? And that's how easy it is. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to our recommendations, and I'm going to show you what the quick scheduler looks like. So we're going to click on recipe collections, okay? And what we can do with the quick scheduler is we can look for meals and snacks and things in our collections, and we say, you know what? I'm going to use that. This looks amazing too. So I want to schedule these 2 meals. I'm going to hit the quick scheduler. I'm going to do it for this week. I'm going to hit schedule. I'm going to go check out the schedule. So what that's done is I scroll down here, you're going to see these 2 meals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this as my snack right here. Okay, and now what I want to do is I'm going to click on it because I want to move this. I want to make a copy of this on Tuesday as well and Thursday. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit save. All right, and then I have this guy here. And you know what? I'm just going to change my mind. I'm just going to delete it. I don't want to use that. I'm going to hit save. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my cookbook. So we've got our schedule coming together here and everything's looking great, but we're missing dinner. So instead of clicking here, I'm going to go over to my cookbook and I'm going to click here, and this looks spectacular to me. So now I'm going to hit schedule. It says click plus where you want to add this meal. So I'm going to go over here and click plus, and there we go. I don't have any extra guests. I don't want to make leftovers and make it again. I'm just going to hit finish. Okay, so grocery list is already put together. This is exactly what I'm looking for. This is what I'm going to do. If I want, I can download it to PDF now. It'll look exactly like the other PDF, except it will have different meals because I've made changes to them. What I am going to do, though, is I love this meal, so I'm just going to call this love schedule. I'm going to hit save. And what I can do now is I go to the next week. I go more options, copy from library, hit love, schedule. And there you have it. I've just added again. That's how easy it is. That's how fast it can be. So we looked at scheduling plans, working with the schedule, showed you the quick scheduler, which is a super cool tool within the collections. And then we looked at just scheduling recipes, hitting that schedule button, right? What's up next? Now we're going to get ready for shopping. So we'll see you over in episode 3 for shopping. And if you didn't watch the other episodes, but go right ahead and they're all there available for you. Okay. Last but not least, thank you so much for watching to the end. Let me know how I can do this better. If you have any questions, hit me up in the app, and congratulations on your journey. A healthier life is a better life. Take care.